Do you feel tired? Yes, I do. Do you feel tired? No, I don't. Did you talk to him? Yes, I did. Did you talk to him? No, I didn't. Can I open the window, please? Yes, you can. Can I open the window, please? No, you can't. Can you help me? Yes, I can. Can you help me? No, I can't. Can we meet our friends? Yes, you can. Can we meet our friends? No, you can't. Can the girls swim? Yes, they can. Can the girls swim? No, they can't. Is he nice? Yes, he is. Is he nice? No, he is not. Is she new at our school? Yes, she is. Is she new at our school? No, she isn't. Can you play the piano? Yes, I can. Can you play the piano? No, I can't. Can they visit me? Yes, they can. Can they? Are your brothers nice? Yes, he is. Are your brothers nice? No, he is not. Is it cold outside? Yes, it is. Is it cold outside? No, it is not. Do you work hard? Yes, I do. Do you work hard? No, I don't. Is this your pencil? Yes, it is. Is this your pencil? No, it is not. Do you like swimming? Yes, I do. Do you like swimming? No, I don't. Did he paint his room himself? Yes, he did. Did he paint his room himself? No, he didn't. Are you going by bus? Yes, I am. Are you going by bus? No, I'm not. Do the girls take photos? Yes, they do. Do the girls take photos? No, they don't. Did they ride their bikes? Yes, they did. Did they ride their bikes? No, they didn't. Can they play hockey? Yes, they can. Can they play hockey? No, they can't. Are the boys in the garden? Yes, they are. Are the boys in the garden? No, they aren't. Is John from France? Yes, he is. Is John from France? No, he isn't. Are Ron and Max your friends? Yes, they are. Are Ron and Max your friends? No, they aren't. Have your grandparents got a cat? Yes, they have. Have your grandparents got a cat? No, they haven't. Is the cat in her basket? Yes, she is. Is the cat in her basket? No, she isn't. Is there a table next to the bed? Yes, there is. Is there a table next to the bed? No, there isn't. Is there a ruler on the table? Yes, there is. Is there a ruler on the table? No, there isn't. Are there two cats in the room? Yes, there are. Are there two cats in the room? No, there aren't. Can she fly a kite? Yes, she can. Can she fly a kite? No, she can't. Can they write these words? Yes, they can. Can they write these words? No, they can't. Can he sing? Yes, he can. Can he sing? No, he can't. Can Doris speak French? Yes, she can. Can Doris speak French? No, she can't. Can he ride a snowboard? Yes, he can. Can he ride a snowboard? No, he can't. Has she got a dog? Yes, she has. Has she got a dog? No, she hasn't. Has he got two sisters? Yes, he has. Has he got two sisters? No, he hasn't. Have we got nice teachers? Yes, we have. Have we got nice teachers? No, we haven't. Has Ruchi got a blue school bag? Yes, she has. Has Ruchi got a blue school bag? No, she hasn't. Have your friends got pets? Yes, they have. Have your friends got pets? No, they haven't. Have Rick and Max got lots of computer games? Yes, they have. Have Rick and Max got lots of computer games? No, they haven't. Has Henry got a TV in his room? Yes, he has. Has Henry got a TV in his room? No, he hasn't. Have the girls got pink pencil cases? Yes, they have. Have the girls got pink pencil cases? No, they haven't. Does she play chess? Yes, she does. Does she play chess? No, she doesn't. Is she going by bus? Yes, she is. Is she going by bus? No, she is not. Will she send us a mail? Yes, she will. Will she send us a mail? No, she will not. Do you know me? Yes, I do. Do you know me? No, I don't. Can you bring me water? Yes, I can. Can you bring me water? No, I can't. Do you recognize me? Yes, I do. Do you recognize me? No, I don't. Can you lend me some money? Yes, I can. Can you lend me some money? No, I can't. Will she come alone? Yes, she will. Will she come alone? No, she will not.